This is our session number 11. We are in the discussion of function keys. Now we are going to discuss function key F3 and F4. Function key F3 means that O snap, that means object snap. Object means whatever we are drawing on the AutoCAD screen, that is an object. How to catch, how to hold a particular property of the object. Okay. Snap in the sense is just like how we are capturing the image in the camera by snapping. Similar way, we are going to hold or catch the particular object properties which are available in the screen. Okay, right. This is called object snap. The same F3 button is used to switch on as well as off. Okay, how can we access this object snap button? The first method is shift and right click on the screen. We will get the object snaps. Press shift and right button of the mouse, you will get the object snap. See this end point, midpoint, intersection, apparent intersection. These are called object snap points. Okay, right. This is one way. Another way, choose an object snap from the snap overrides submenu. We have a status bar at the bottom of our AutoCAD screen. This particular icon is meant for object snap. Just a symbol like a square. Over that we have a small square. Okay, just go to this particular button, right click, you will see this object snap buttons which are already on. You see only end point is on, midpoint, center point, all other points is not in active condition. Okay, right. Another way to access the object snap by command prompt. Type O snap at the command prompt. It will open the object snap dialog box. You can see here there are plenty of object snaps on that. What is the use of this one? For example, I have an object. Now I want to draw a line between these two vertical lines by connecting the midpoints. So what to do now? So without any command, if you go near to the object, nothing will be shown. Give any command and go, you will get the active object snaps. Just I am going to give line command. If I go near to the line, so it is not showing the midpoint. It shows only the end point. Why? Because the end point is active, all other points are switched off. If you click, what will happen? Which is the active button now? You can see the end point is active. It will catch only the end point. Just go near to the line, it will show the end points. But I want midpoint. What to do now? Just go here, right click, and you can switch on the midpoints. You can see here like this. Once you switch on here, automatically it will be switched on here also. In dialog box also it will be checked. Okay. So now end point, midpoint is on. Now I'm going to line, just connect the midpoint to midpoint. Right. Another important of this object snap is what? If you don't have object snap, for example, let me switch off this by pressing F3 button. I switch it off now. So you are going to draw a line between this end point to this end point. Okay, it seems that you have drawn perfectly, but if you zoom and see, there will be a gap. Okay, if you zoom and see, there will be a no connection. If you see like this, it seems that perfect, but it is not perfect. When you take a printout or when you zoom and see, there is a gap in the object. So it is not allowed in engineering drawings. It should be perfect. So that is why we are using object snap. Okay. Now I want to draw the small circle. That circle center point should be concentric with this circle. What to do now? Let me go to the circle. Just go near to the arc. It is not showing the center point of this arc. So why? Because our center point is not active. Just go there, switch on the center. Okay. And switch on the quadrant. So these are the properties related to the circle, center, quadrant. Okay, right. Now, just if I go near to the circle, it will show where is the center point. Just click the center point, draw some size. Okay. Now, just I'm going to draw the lines connecting the four quadrants, four corner points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just connect. Okay. So I have drawn an exact square without measurement inside the circle by the quadrant object snap. Okay. Next we are going to discuss intersection, perpendicular and tangent. Okay, so these three properties we will discuss now. Line and circle are intersecting at these 2 points. So this intersection point I need to take for the circle center point. What to do? Go to the circle, just go near to this, it will show intersection. Okay, just click and draw this circle. Okay, just go near to the object, click and draw the circle. So you are catching exactly intersection point. Similar way, these two circles are intersecting here. Just go near to the points. So you will get the intersection points. Just click and you will get the intersection. Okay, right. Now I'm going to draw the tangent lines. From this point to this circle, this is a tangent. Similar way, from here to this circle is a tangent. So these two lines, starting point is a quadrant. So ending point is a tangent point. But I want these two lines should have tangent to both the circle. What to do now? Line. So the first point I have to choose tangent itself. So it will not show tangent. It will show only the quadrant, even though the tangent is on. So what to do now? Type TAN, tan. So it will show the tangent points. Okay. Now come near to the object. It shows the quadrant only, even though the tangent is on. Now you type TAN, tan, to show the tangent points. So now this line is tangent to both the circle. Similar way, from the first circle, I want to get the tangent points. Type tan, click. Similarly, type tan. You can choose this point as a tan point, tangent point. This is another point, is also tangent point. Okay. Now, this is a tangent points. From here, tan, tan. So we might have studied cross belt, open belt type. This is just like a pulley belt or a chain sprocket arrangement. Okay, right. Now I'm going to find out the perpendicular points. Okay, from this corner, I'm going to find the perpendicular points. Okay, just move near to the lines. See now, it shows the perpendicular. Now this line is perpendicular to the inclined line of this one. Okay, this is perpendicular. Okay, I don't know what is the angle of this line, but I want to draw the same inclined line here, somewhere outside the object. What to do now? I want to go for parallel options. So I want to draw the parallel objects. Okay, what is my intention? I want to draw the parallel lines for this one. I don't know what is the angle it is. Okay, line, give the start point, just move near to the lines. It will show the parallel mark. That means you are interested to draw a parallel of this particular line. Now you move the mouse, you will get the tracking. This is called parallel tracking. Now you can see the parallel tracking as well as the highlighting mark on the lines. Okay, so both you can see. So now type the length how much you want. Just give 50. Now you get the 50 mm parallel line. Okay. Next we will see the extension nearest. Extension is what? See now, I have a two lines. I want to catch exactly where these two lines will meet or where it will intersect. Okay. I don't want to draw a line, but I want to get the extension of the point. Okay. So what to do now? I'm giving circle command. Okay. I'm going to take that joining point as a center point for my circle. So go for the circle. Just keep the mouse. Okay. Don't click. Keep the mouse. Just move. You will get the extension. Okay. Let it be. Similar way, keep the mouse. Don't click. You will get the extension. Just move apparently. You see here. If you extend these two lines, it will meet exactly that particular point where it shows cross mark. Now you press the button, the particular intersection point will be taken. This is called as apparent intersection. That means these two lines will go and intersect or meet that particular point. Just click, you will get the circle. If you really extend these two lines, it will meet exactly center of the circle. You can check now, both the lines are intersecting exactly at that point. Okay. Next, nearest points. What does it mean by nearest points? Already I said object or line is the collection of points. Okay, if you want to catch any point on the object, you can switch on the nearest. Okay, you see here, I'm going to draw a line. Just trace over the line. You will get all the points. You can go any object, you will get all the points. This is called nearest points. Any point you can take. Okay, this is called nearest points. Next, node. Node will come for only the points. Okay, for example, if you give the point somewhere, so this is my point. Okay, I want to catch exactly this point. Just choose that point as a circle center point. If you go near to that point, it shows the nearest point. So nearest point is on, so it will show all the points. So better to switch off the nearest. Just go near to this, it will show the node. Node is nothing but wherever you fix the point, those points is easily you can catch by nodes. Okay, right. See, we have some irregular shape. We don't know where is exactly the gravity point. Okay, that means centroid point. This is not a solid, so we will not have a center of gravity. We will have only centroid. Where is the centroid point? Switch on the geometric center. Okay, give any command. Just go near to the object. It shows the this is the centroid of this particular object. Okay, right. Similarly, I want to get the centroid of this object. See here, this is a separate line. This is a separate circle. If it is a skated object, you will not get the geometric center because this is a different geometry. But here, this is a single geometry. Okay, let me check now. You see here, I am not getting any geometric center. Okay, so now I am going to just I am converting this into the single object. Now, if this is single object, now I will get the geometric center. See, this is the exactly center point. Okay, right. So we have seen end, mid, center. Midpoint only for the line, center is for the curvature and circle. Okay, geometric center, node, quadrant, intersection, extension, insertion we will study during our three-dimensional modeling, perpendicular, tangent, nearest. Okay, so this we can control from here also, object snap on, off. Okay, next function key is F4. F4 for three-dimensional object snap. F3 function key has an object snap. It is used for two-dimensional as well as three-dimensional. Some more extra additional object snaps for three-dimension is given at the function key F4. So those object snaps we will study and learn during our 3D modeling. Okay. So this is the corresponding icon for three-dimensional object snaps. This is two-dimensional object snap. This is three-dimensional object snap. Okay. So some of the additional three-dimensional object snaps are given here. So these object snaps we will discuss during our 3D modeling. Okay. Based on our F3 function key, that's called object snap, I have given some exercise to practice those object snap buttons. Okay. So please practice this. If you have any doubts, kindly let us know that. Okay, so this is end of session number 11. Next session we are going to discuss about the function key F5, 6, 7 and 8. Thank you.